guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Oils or Blessings. In this episode, we will do another unboxing. Box ba tawag? Unpouching? Okay, so mukhang galing pa yata talaga to ng China. Galing kay Mr. Wu. Shanghai Industrial Park, Building 6, Bantian Easy, wherever that is. So anyway, let us open this. So if you've been following me lately, I've been doing some unboxing or online shopping, Suki ni Shopee and Lazada, because I enrolled for a certification to become a certified aromatherapist. So what we have? One and two. Okay. Parang plastic siya. Mukhang hindi ako happy. Okay. So, part of the class kasi is more like being a chemist. You mix oils, butters, waxes, and sabi ni Miss Dreami, who is the person behind Happy Oiler PH, it's best to use a stainless steel chopsticks. Kasi, well, nasanay tayo na pag sinabing stir, yung glass rod. Pero, practical nga naman yung sinabi niya na if it's glass, there's a possibility na mabasag. Lalo na if you wash it na. Mamaya mabitawan mo pa. Prone to accident. So, I bought this on Shopee. I would have to check kung sino yung seller. So, 2-in-1 pack. So, I got 4, bale. Pero bakit parang it's so magaan. Parang hindi siya stainless. So anyway, so it came in this plastic pouch. And then I mentioned in my previous videos na we are required to buy hand mixers. So, tadaan! First time ko nakakita ng ganito. Ano ba to? Uy. Oh. Ganda. Yeah. Let's just hope na hindi siya madaling masira. It didn't come in a box. Plastic lang din siya. Okay. So, basically, it works. Yeah. Pwede naman daw, some of my classmates are getting the coffee frother or was it milk? Pang froth ng milk para maging foam, di ba? Kaya lang, naisip ko, if we're going to mix butters, what do you call it? Butters and waxes, ay di kaya. Ito na lang. Okay, next. Yung mura lang din naman. So, if it doesn't work, bili na lang ulit. Pero, ito muna, para saan to? What are you for? Palalagod, para saan here? Hello? Sisi. Dun yan. Tara dun. Steady siyang nakaganyan. Okay. Next. Ayan, bubble wrap. Siguro ito babasagin. Ayan, naka-bubble wrap. So, ganito kalaki. Bubble wrap niya ito. As what are you? Since it's in Chinese, I cannot read. What are you? Oh, my glass beaker. Na may handle. Diba? Cute, cute. For 250 ml. Yeah. So this is just a short unboxing since we only have 3 items. I will update the description box just in case hindi ako satisfied or biglang nag-crack ito under pressure or whatever. Investigahan ko pa to kung talaga bang stainless steel. So anyway guys, thank you for joining me today and for supporting me in my journey to become a certified aromatherapist. If you want to learn more about essential oils, please do search for Oils Are Blessings on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to have your own set of essential oils with a diffuser at 50% off, I will leave the link below. So if you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe and hit that bell so that you will be notified the next time I have another video. Again, my name is Sam and thank you for the support and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Peace and blessings!